1. 1982 Ford F150 Lariat, $2,500. Portland, Oregon. This 1982 Ford F-150 Lariat is a rugged vintage pickup with a legendary Ford 300 straight-six engine paired with a heavy-duty C6 3-speed automatic transmission. Though it has been parked for a year, the truck reportedly runs well. It has a clean title, straight body, and comes with various new parts, including a radiator, belts, and a Carter YB carburetor clone. The paint is in decent shape, making it a great candidate for restoration. With 168,000 miles, this well-built pickup remains a solid and affordable classic workhorse. Two 1989 Ford F350 XLT Lariat Crew Cab Dually, $7,000, Yelm, Washington. A heavy-duty classic, this 1989 Ford F350 XLT Lariat Crew Cab is powered by a 460 cubic inch V8 and offers dual rear wheels and a full tow package, perfect for haulers and vintage truck enthusiasts. The truck features custom touches from Roll Along, a bed liner, tonneau cover, CB radio, and a Pioneer stereo system. It runs and drives well, with a few minor flaws like a torn driver's seat and unhooked driving lights. That, at 160,000 miles and a clean title, it offers tremendous utility and style for the price. Three, 1988 GMC Sierra 2500, $5,000, Langley, British Columbia. This rare 1988 GMC Sierra 2500 is equipped with the bulletproof 6.2-liter non-turbo diesel engine and automatic transmission, known for reliability and efficiency. Despite 378,000 kilometers on the odometer, it has been well maintained over 2 decades of ownership. The truck has some rust around the wheel wells, but runs strong and reportedly gets excellent fuel mileage. A great option for someone seeking a dependable classic diesel truck with plenty of life left. Four, 1988 Dodge Ram D150, $5,000, Portal, Arizona. A rust-free survivor from the Southwest, this 1988 Dodge Ram D150 is powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The current owner began restoration but decided to move on. It features a repainted white exterior, solid body panels, and numerous mechanical updates, including a new radiator, power steering components, and fuel pump. At 156,000 miles, this clean title truck offers a ready-to-drive experience with solid bones for continued restoration. Saw 5, 1981 GMC Sierra Classic, $6,000 Center, Washington. This 1981 GMC Sierra Classic 4x4 has been tastefully modified and updated with a Chevrolet 350 engine and automatic transmission. Though the odometer has rolled over, the truck has seen extensive recent work. LED lighting, Edelbrock carburetor and intake, new radiator, brakes, lift kit, and even new carpet. A clean title and strong running condition make it a desirable project that's nearly complete. Ideal for an enthusiast looking to finish the final touches. Car 6, 1984 Chevrolet El Camino, $4,500, Cathlamet, Washington. This 1984 El Camino offers a blend of car and truck appeal with a 305 cubic inch V8 engine and a newer automatic transmission. Owned for 15 years and only used occasionally, it is mechanically solid with upgrades like weld wheels and low-mileage BF Goodrich tires. The odometer is broken, and while it needs cosmetic restoration, it presents a great foundation for collectors or custom builders looking for a classic El Camino with character. Number 7. 1989 Chevrolet Dually, $1,500, Torrance, California. This 1989 Chevrolet Dually is a manual transmission big block truck offered as a non-running project. It suffers from water and oil mixing and must be towed. However, it carries a clean title and could serve as a base for a full restoration or parts donor. Priced to sell at just $1,500, it may appeal to mechanically inclined buyers looking for a hands-on project with heavy-duty potential. Eight 1986 Dodge D150 4x4 Royal SE, Comfort, Texas. A classic 4x4 Dodge with presence, this 1986 W150 Royal SE features a rebuilt engine and automatic transmission that needs repair. The truck was well loved and had $3,500 invested in 2022 before transmission issues sidelined it. With 176,600 miles and a clean title, it remains a desirable classic off-roader for someone ready to take on a transmission rebuild. The body and character of this truck reflect its solid southern roots. Nine 1985 Ford F350 service truck, $750, Belfair, Washington. This 1985 Ford F350 service truck is priced for parts or scrap. Once powered by a diesel engine, it now needs a radiator and injector pump after both were stolen. The transmission began slipping prior to being parked. With 38,953 miles, odometer rolled over, and a clean title, it may appeal to collectors looking for a donor vehicle or someone seeking to revive a classic utility truck. 10. 1980 Chevrolet half-ton 4x4, $6,000, Florissant, Missouri. A robust off-road machine, this 1980 Chevrolet 4x4 half-ton features a powerful 350 small block engine, putting out approximately 400 horsepower, mated to a 4-speed granny low manual transmission. It includes a super winch, roll bar with 6 off-road lights, and other trail-ready accessories. Though the odometer has rolled over, the truck's upgrades and clean title make it an exciting choice for vintage 4x4 enthusiasts or off-road adventurers. C11 1951 Willys Pickup 4x4, $12,000, Yuba City, California. A rare and collectible piece of American truck history, this 1951 Willys Pickup is equipped with a factory-option dump bed and 4-wheel drive. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine, it reportedly runs well and includes good condition tires. The odometer reads only 895 miles, which is likely since rebuild. With a hydraulic leak noted, it still presents as a strong candidate for preservation or display. This Willys stands out as one of the oldest and most historically significant trucks on the list. Top 12. 1986 Ford Truck, $4,500, Russian River, California. This 1986 Ford truck features a 6.9-liter diesel engine with a Banks turbo system, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive. Though the odometer is broken and rolled over, the truck runs and only needs batteries to drive. With a clean title and diesel performance upgrades, this is a solid platform for diesel fans or those looking to own a heavy-duty vintage Ford on a budget.